So I'm going to show you how to be working on your works cited page, and essentially you are going to use this website citationmachine.net, so Citation Machine, to create it. And essentially all you really have to do is copy and paste, and from there it is really easy. So you need to know what resources you used, and then you just plug in all the information. So this website is free. The only issue with it is that it's going to require you to watch a 45-second long promo video every 48 hours. So as you go through, you'll have to do that, but besides that, it's totally free. So we are going to, for our paper, we purely cite in MLA formatting. So you're going to choose several options. You have your options up here. Make sure you are on MLA. So I am on MLA, and you have several different types of resources to choose from. All of you are on website. Some of you might have done a book, but for the most part, you are a website. And so what I have done to make this easier, now if you want to fill in everything manually, you can. You can do manual entry, and that is going to be just typing in all your information that you have on your resource logs. So you have to make sure you have filled out your information correctly. So we filled in this information on your resource logs. If you have those, this is what you will just plug in. If you can't fill some of this information, that's fine. You just leave it blank. I am going to do the lazy person's way and do autofill. So I go up to the top, and
hey, it's your pal, $6 million man.
No, sorry.
Remember how happy you were getting me as a kid?
And I am going to just copy and paste. So Control C is on the keyboard. Control C will allow me to copy my URL. And then I go here, and Control V allows you to paste. So Control V on your keyboard lets you paste it. And then I go here, and it searches my website. And then I say, yep, that's my website. I pulled up Rosa Parks on biography.com, so I hit select. And then it gives you the opportunity to verify what they found. They're like, this is what we found. Boom, boom, boom. The only thing they couldn't find was the publisher or sponsor. Fine. Final step. If you have that information, it allows you to add it in. So although they said they couldn't find the publisher or sponsor, it has A&E Network Television right there. Perfect, great. So I go to create citation. And I have to scroll down because there was a lovely advertisement that never generated. Boom. There it is. All done for me in MLA formatting. So it's already done. Now, something else that you can keep doing is create another citation. So you have to have at least 3 sources. So for some of you, you need to do, you need to make sure you have all your citations for your in-text citations that you did in your mini article. For some of you, you need to make sure you have all of your citations for your photo for your quote. You need to make sure you have your citation for your photo for your photo that we pulled up in class this week. So if you go to Other, photograph is an option. So this would be if you have, I would do website, photograph. Okay. For some of you, if you just have the URL of your photograph, you can do just the copy and paste of your URL as well. So the reason I went back was because, so let's say I have my Dexter's source as well on Rosa Parks. So I'm copying and pasting, so again, Control C, go over here, it's on website, MLA, Control V, search. Yep, this one is biography and Dexter's. Awesome. Okay, my apologies. Yes, you'll have to hit this. So it tells you how much longer. All the videos are 45 seconds. Okay, where's my I'm done button? I'm done. Okay, so then I just hit create, and there it is. So one thing you will notice is that it added it to this one. What I like about this website is that it puts in alphabetical order for you. You have to make sure your sources appear in alphabetical order. So as you are transferring these, you need to copy them in the exact order that you see them on this page. So you notice that my Dexter source is listed first. On your template, that means your Dexter source better be your first one. So the way you go by alphabetical order is you look at the first letter of the first bit of information. So B comes before R in the alphabet. So that's why this source has to come first. So biography starts with a B. That means this source has to come before the Rosa Parks source because Rosa Parks starts with an R, and R comes after B. So now that I have my sources right here, and it makes it nice and easy, I can hit copy, and it says it's successfully copied, and then when I go over into my template, I just do right click and then paste, and it will show up right there. So this is how you will use your citation source, and then it just does all the work for you. So you just need to know what your sources were, and then again you need to have at least 3. So make sure you're citing your pictures and citing what resources you used in your mini research article.